Hi everyone, welcome to Lock My College, a place where you unlock opportunities and lock your college. In today's video, we are talking about something which sounds really glamorous, but at times it can turn into a really bad situation. Yes, we are talking about startups. Indian ecosystem is the third largest in the world of startups. And if we talk about 2016 से जब से Startup India launch हुआ है, तब से Shark Tank India, co-working spaces, angel investors and even pitch events बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हुए हैं. The ecosystem has exploded and everything, apps, services, data, everything is going online and people are investing into startups. We all are intrigued and happy to see the stories of startups like Byju's, Swiggy, Zomato, even Flipkart and Amazon, because इन्होंने छोटे से start किया था and we believe that all the startups can start small and become a huge MNC company. But let me tell you something very real, that एक startup के success होने के पीछे 90+ startups का failure भी होता है. There might be a lot of food delivery apps like Swiggy and Zomato, but they did not succeed like them. So in this video, we will be discussing why do startups actually fail in India. So let's dive into this video without any further delay. So, the very first reason why a startup fails is most of the time people are giving products or services which are not required in the marketplace. TikTok could succeed because it served a purpose where people were interested in watching short entertainment reels. Second, Swiggy and Zomato, the first reason why most of the startups fail are that these startups are providing something the market does not require. Most of the people believe that first let's build a product and then we will see if the market requires the product or not. That's where everything goes wrong. Swiggy, Zomato could succeed because people wanted food delivery apps. TikTok could succeed because people wanted small span of entertainment. That is how you need to start your startup. Instead of building the product or the service first, think that market में किस चीज की requirement है and उसके basis पर आप अपने startup को launch करो. And then comes the second reason, no revenue model. People believe that ठीक है, start में कोई profit नहीं हो रहा है, कोई issue नहीं है, let's keep on doing, let's keep on giving in. They exhaust their funds in marketing, hiring fancy teams, putting up fancy offices and a lot more things, but they do not understand that there needs to be a proper revenue model of their startup. They forget that they need to build a proper financial record of what they are investing, how much profit they are gaining, how much salary they have to pay off, and all these things need to be discussed. Numbers are a very important part of startups. If you think that without a revenue model your startup is going to reach heights, then you are running it on an absolutely wrong note. And then the third point is that startups fail most of the time because of the founders' failure. The founders think that they know everything, but when they start the thing, they realize that उनको कुछ भी नहीं आता है या sometimes उनको कम knowledge होती है. At this point of time, the founders need to realize that it's okay to learn from people who are below you, because you are never going to be on top unless and until you keep that growth mindset जहाँ पे आप continuously चीजें learn करते रहते हो. इसी सिचुएशन की वजह से को-फाउंडर्स में फाइट होती है या फिर टीममेट्स अलाइन नहीं कर पाते हैं एंड द स्टार्टअप क्लोजेस इमीडिएटली विदिन 2 to 3 months. The fifth reason is funding management. People do not realize that their startups do need fundings. आप बूटस्ट्रैपिंग पे तब तक चल सकते हो जब तक आपके पास में एक certain amount available है. After that, you will need funding from outside people. For example, VCs, angel investors, or from people who are interested in investing in your startup. So do not think कि आपकी funding के बगैर काम हो जाएगा. या अगर आपको funds मिल जाए तो उनको exhaust मत करो in fancy equipments, fancy offices, giving high-paying salaries. Instead, try to build a team that you can rely on, that you can take responsibility for, and slowly and steadily start building your empire. And then there is one more point, that a great idea would fail if it is not launched at the right time. Imagine launching Swiggy and Zomato when UPIs were not there, when India was not digital. That would be a complete doomed startup. Even though it is rising today, if it would have been launched back in 2006, nobody would have adapted to this. So that is also a problem. That remember that maybe you think that yes, this startup is something which is going to work in the future. That is the future requirement. Do not start something in 2025 thinking that it is going to get hype in 2032, because what will the startup do in that much time span? There are a lot of things that you can begin with, but you need to realize what the marketplace requires at the current time period. And the last and the most important reason is that most of the startups fail within 5 years. Why? Because they get attached to their product. They get attached to the UX they have, get attached to the team they have, and they do not believe in improving. They think that no, this is my product and ये तो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है. I am providing the best things in the market, but that's not it. You need to listen to the feedbacks of your customers, of your teammates, of your co-founders, because that is really important. So let me say and conclude. So let me conclude this on the end that startups do not fail because it's a bad idea. Instead, startups fail because the person did not invest too much time, they did not do too much research, they did not do too much team management, leadership management, and there were little things that lagged, research lagged, or maybe team cooperation lagged. That is why startups fail. So before starting something of your own, you need to know all of these things really well. Check all the laws related to the thing that you're starting. Check what does the market requirements say about the startup. See if you have a proper team or not. Do not exhaust your funds early. If you like this video, then do stay tuned with us for more such videos.